All rise. Circuit Court of Madison County is now in session. The Honorable Judge John Putman presiding.
Be seated, please. 14-133, State versus Randy Carroll. Possession of methamphetamine, paraphernalia.
Judge, I have a conflict in this case, and Mr. Kemper Carter is going to stand as prosecutor on this matter.
Sir, I'm looking at a police statement here. Have you gone over this document?
Yes, sir, I have.
Do you think you understand what's in the police statement?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you understand the charges against you and the range of penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, sir, I do.
Are you pleading guilty to possession of methamphetamine and possession of drug paraphernalia?
Yes, sir.
By doing so, you're giving up your right to have a trial, and you cannot appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, I am.
There's a recommendation in the police statement regarding what your sentence should be. Other than that, have you been promised anything?
No, sir, I have not.
You been threatened or pressured in any way in order to get you to change your
No,
plea?
sir, I have not.
And are you pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, sir.
Looks like in May of this year here in Baxter County, you apparently were in possession of some methamphetamine and some drug paraphernalia.
Yes, sir.
This time, sir, I accept your plea and adjudge you guilty on each count. I guess there's 2 counts of drug paraphernalia. Is that correct? It says 2 counts. On each count, you'll be sentenced to 3 years in the Department of Corrections. Those sentences will run concurrent. You'll receive jail time credit of 84 days. You're ordered to pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a drug crime assessment of $125, a DNA fee of $250, and a $20 booking fee. You pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after your release from incarceration, and comply with the other matters set out in the police statement, other directives set out in the police statement. Payments are made to the Sheriff's Department.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
State versus Loretta Dugan, 14-192.
And I'm going to waive doing the information, enter plea of not guilty.
I'll enter the plea of not guilty, direct you reappear before Judge Webb on August 14th at 10 o'clock.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. 14-191, State versus Jared Major, residential burglary theft.
We'll waive reading of the information, enter plea of not guilty.
I'll enter that plea. We'll be sending out a scheduling order in the case.
Okay, to be a chance to read the information. Pardon? I think I'm currently on a $15,000 bond. We're going to ask the court to consider a $7,500 bond. I don't take the allegations. State's now these homeless. Where's he going to live if he gets out on bond? That's going to be an issue.
Could he make bond if he's home?
I don't know. I don't know anything about the man, but I just noticed that in the information that if he doesn't have a place to live, it's kind of difficult for him to.
Bond to your place.
The amount of bond's not so significant as having some place where he lives, and some address, and some contact.
Do you need to talk to him further?
The only place I might possibly have is,
You talk to him. Your Honor, I've discussed it with him. I'll need more information.
Okay. State versus David Corbin, 14-190. Failure to appear.
Your Honor, I think this is a case that is actually on Judge Webb's docket. He's set to appear on a failure to appear today. Is that correct?
Yeah, this is a new charge.
Your Honor, for now, we would enter a plea of not guilty.
Okay.
Mr. Kincaid and I think, have an agreement that we have worked out, but since it is a Judge Webb case, we want to pass it. For now, we'll set him to reappear, if the court is okay with this, for next Thursday in front of Judge Webb.
Okay, I'll just schedule him later to plead not guilty and have him reappear before Judge Webb on the 14th.
Thank you, Your Honor.